In this video, we'll show you how to change the power window switch on your Ford Fusion. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Open the door. Using a multi-bit screwdriver and a 7mm socket, unscrew the power window switch plastic trim holding screw. Remove the screw with a magnetic extender. Using a car trim removal tool, lift the power window controls plastic trim. Once the trim has been removed, start by disconnecting the connectors from the master power window switch and side mirror controls by pressing the locking tabs. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Using a flathead screwdriver, lift the 4 clips holding the power window controls to the plastic trim. Then, remove the power window switch from the plastic trim. You can order the power window switch used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new part and install it on the plastic trim. Reconnect the connectors of the electric window and side mirror controls. Then, clip the assembly back on. Retighten the retaining screw. Operation complete.